कटे बारी बिंदु समा कटे बारी बिंदु समा अतल से 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 कटे बारी बिंदु समा सुतमिता रमणी समाये सुतमिता रमणी समाजे सुतमिता रमणी समाये सुतमिता रमणी समाजे तोये विशरी मना थाये समर्पल तोहे विशरी मना थाये समर्पल तोये विशरी मना थाये समर्पल तोहे विशरी मना थाये समर्पल आभा माजू आबो कोनो काजे आभ माजो हबो गाजे आभा माजो हबो कोनो काजे आभ माजो हबो गाजे माधवायाम परिणामानि राश माधवायाम परिणामानि राश माधवायाम परिणामानि राश माधवायाम परिणामानि राश तू जगतारण दिन दोया मोया 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 अथाये तो हरि विषया अतल से कटे बारी बिंदु समा अतल से कटे बारी बिंदु समा आधा जनमा शिशु कोटो दीन गेला धरा जे जगत देना गेला धरा शिशु कोटो दीन गेला धरा शिशु कोटो देना गेला निधुवने रमणी रस रंगे मातला निधुवने रमणी रस रंगे मातला निधुवने रमणी रस रंगे मातला निधुवने रमणी रस तोये बाघबो कोनो बेला
तोहे बाघबो को बेला
खोटो चतुरानन मारी मारी जाओ
तो चतुरानन मारे मारे जावता
खोटो चतुरानन मारी मारी जाओ
तो चतुरानन मारे मारे जावता
तुया आदि अवसान
न तुया अवसान
न तुया आदि अवसान तोये जन्म पुन तोये समाहोत
तोहे जन्म पुन तोहे समावता
तोये जनमी पुन तोये समाहोत
तोहे जन्म पुन तोहे समावता
सागर लहरी समान
सागर लहरी समान
सागर लहरी समान
सागर लहरी समान
बनाये विद्यापति शेष समाना बोय
बनाये विद्यापति शेष समाना
बनाये विद्यापति शेष समाना बोय
बनाये विद्यापति शेष समाना
तुया बिना गति नाई
तुया विना गते नाहे आरा
तुया बिना गति नाई
तुया विना गते नाहे आरा
आदि हनादि कनक कहायासी
आदि अनादिक नाद कायासे
आदि हनादि कनक कहायासी
आदि अनादिक नाद कायासे
अवतारण बार तो हार
अवतारणा बारा तो हारा
भवतः तो हार
भवतारणा बारा तो हारा
सकल सैकटे बिंदु बारी समान
लसैकते बारे बिंदु समान
सकल सैकटे बारी बिंदु समान
कातल सैकते बारे बिंदु समान
सुतमित रमणी समाये
सुतमित रमणे समाज
सुतमित रमणी समाये
सुतमित रमणे समाज
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
So this is again a wonderful composition by one of the great Bengali saint poets called Vidyapati. And Vidyapati in this particular composition, through his wonderful composition, he is trying to say the futility of his existence. Usually in our Vaishnav Sampradaya, our saints basically they place themselves in a very low position, and then from that low position or tucha position they see their connection with Krishna, how it is so disconnected. They place themselves as victims of this material world, and then in great humility they pray to Krishna to help them transcend this material world and connect to the spiritual world. So this is a very introspective bhajan written by Sri Vidyapati. So he says, Tatala sai kate bhari bindu sama sutamita ramani samaye. So here in this bhajan, Vidyapati is comparing that his whole life he has tried to engage with his so-called family, friends and relatives. And in the hope that his family, his friends, his relatives will give great joy, will give great happiness, will give him security. But Vidyapati is saying here that this so-called sense of happiness, the joy that I have got, can be compared to few drops of water being sprinkled on a dry, sandy place. Just like we go to a beach, we go to the desert, there's a huge mounds of sands there. And in that very sandy place, which is extremely dry, a few drops of water if you sprinkle there, in the hope that that sand will become very moistened, it is a exercise in futility. So similarly, Vidyapati is saying that I tried to get joy and happiness through this Sutta Mita Ramani, and it is just like going and sprinkling a few drops on the dry banks of an ocean or in a desert and expect that it will be very much moistened by that activity. So, तोहे विशरी थाये समर्पल अब माजा आबो कोनु काजे कि in this Vishari world or in the world of the senses, I have been lost. So, Madhava hama parinama nirasha tuhun jagat tarana dina dayamoy ataye tohare vishavyasa. So here, Vidyapati is saying that the result of seeking pleasure in the material world ultimately ends up in nirasha, in frustration. So I have come to you, O my Lord Jagat Dharana, the controller of this universe. Please help me come out of this world of senses, of this Vishaya world. Please help me to transcend this world. Ada janama hama ninde goyaya lun jara shishu koto dina gela niduvane ramani rase range matala toye bajhabo ko na bela. Half my life I have just spent wandering here and above, here and there in all kinds of sinful activities. And like a frivolous child, and currently I am a useless old man, intoxicated by the pleasures of beautiful women and all other vices. I have pursued those kind of things. I am just praying to you, when will I get the chance to really worship you? कोटो चतुराना नाना मारी मारी जा होता नातु या आदि आवसाना तो ये जनमी पुनः तय समा होता सागर लहरी समाना. This universe is created by Brahma. Chaturana means four-headed person. So Brahma is referred to as the four-headed person. There are millions of universes and there are millions of Brahmas. So millions of Brahmas have come and gone. And then they repeatedly take birth again and again in different forms in this material universe. Just like the waves of the ocean. You can see in the ocean millions of waves constantly keep coming and it constantly goes back into the ocean. So he is saying even the greatest person of this universe is Brahma. He is saying Brahma is also like that. So which means to say no matter how great, how big you become in this material world, it has really no permanent effect. So he wants that permanency. Not because, like for example, we always say, I want my own house. I don't have to depend on the whims and fancies of my owner. Nobody wants to be a tenant. We all want to build our own house. Actually, Krishna is our own house. That's what Vidyapati is trying to say. Where we will not be kicked out, where we will not be told, oh, your time is up, please vacate this house. As long as we are in this material body, we have to vacate. So Vidyapati, Banaye Vidyapati Shesha Samana Boy, Tuya Vina Gati Nai Ara, Adi Anadika Nata Kahayasi, Bhavatharana Bharatora. So Vidyakati, this is the way, this is the mood of our Vaishnava Acharyas, in which ultimately they take themselves, they place themselves in that position and then pray to the Lord that at the end of my life, I am now getting frightened because I know my end is going to come. So I have no other shelter other than you, O my Lord. Vidyapati is praying that please give me, liberate me, please take me towards you. Bhavatharana bharatohara. From this bhava sagara, if I have to transcend, then only you can do it. Bhara, that weight I am putting onto you. So it's this wonderful prayers by our great Vaishnavas. If we cultivate and remember these pastimes, we develop that wonderful consciousness of being in the mood of devotion. Thank you. Hare Krishna.